everyone, it is Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. If you're watching this today, Monday, tomorrow's my birthday, which is really exciting. I'm going to be 32. Ooh. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into all the things. If you're not subscribed to Mystery, I definitely would. I did share a sneak, I think, on Facebook so far. We'll be coming to the Instagram, but if you really want to see, check it out over there. But last couple days that you'll have to subscribe, so get excited for that. Let's go ahead into the releases for this week though. First thing first is we have another vinyl. This one is Akatar inspired. It is the clear vinyl, so it has the clear outside. I might be able to get it now that my nails are not on currently, but I think that the Marie and the Eras Taylor CD stack is almost sold out, and again, I didn't order as many of these as I did the Taylor Swift ones, so super fabulous, and I wanted to do that because it's one of the things I love, and for my birthday month. The next thing here we do have is the like the new color of the week color doodle bundle, and this is in a coral color. Super pretty. Obsessed, like an orangey coral. Perfect for summer spreads. It'll actually go really nicely with this kit as well. I did not even plan that. It's a little bit darker, but I think it would be a great match. So this will be on special pricing from Wednesday through Sunday. So definitely pick it up then to save a couple of doll hairs. The next thing we have are some new grab bags. So these grab bags are going to come in different varieties. They'll be in the same listing though, like a couple of our other grab bags are, like the Scribbler ones. But these are going to be fashion box grab bags. This was Kirsten's idea. She's like, what do you think about doing some fashion grab bags? So these are going to be separated by the FAMs. We have our normal FAM 1 through FAM 6. And this is just an example showing FAM 6. If you ever have a question about what FAM you may be looking for, I added on the on the add-ons, like any new starting last week's kits, as well as this will have it. There's like a little drop down that says, what FAM/Scribbler am I? And it'll tell you descriptions of the 6 Scribbler/FAM options, but that one is just an option of FAM 6. I'm sure a lot of Franken planners will love those. And then there is also going to be an option FAM 1 through 6, and then there's just going to be like a regular kind of various fashion option, because we do have, you know, fashions that are multiple skin tone / hair colors. So there's just gonna be a variety of different things that were in the shop that we had leftovers. Some of them may be misfits, so I'll probably be labeling it as misfits, but most of them will not be. Misfits these days are, if they're off cut, they're usually not like salvageable for a misfit, or they'll have like a little white dot on them or something, or a little black dot, or who knows. But yeah, so most of these are just like overstock. We had a couple left, or a couple over what we thought, so this will be available Wednesday. We do have 2 foil bundles, and our foil bundles are on special pricing from Wednesday at noon Eastern all the way through Sunday, so definitely pick them up then. But these are both in confetti version 2. This one here is a sparkly blue. Amy in our Facebook group just asked like an hour ago if we ever planned on doing another sparkly blue. I'm not sure if this is the exact one, but I had it on deck, so I figured let's go ahead and release it. Plus with the summer months coming up, it's going to be fantastic, fabulous, and perfect. So that is, it comes with the washi page, of course, the 2 bougies, the icons and scripts, and the full box overlays. A gorgeous sparkly blue. I don't know if I call it sparkly or confetti. Probably sparkly. It's like not super fine, but it's not like confetti chunky. So it's like somewhere in the middle. Then the other color for this week is going to be this really pretty, kind of like a lime green color, I guess it would be. Yeah, I'd probably call it lime. It's not like lemongrass. It definitely is more green. But this one again is in confetti version 2. So you have these pages here, the 2 bougies, the icons and the scripts, as well as the bottom washi and date numbers. Let me show it up next to lemon. I don't even know where I would have some lemongrass at. Hold on. This is an unreleased bundle, but I know I have one in here. Here it is. Says lemongrass. They'd really go really nice together, but that's lemongrass, and this is like the lime color. So that, my friends, is the second foil bundle. Again, this is going to go great with so many different sets, especially in the spring, summer, and confetti goes with so much as well. So we, of course, love that. So those are the 2 foil bundles that are coming to the shop this week. Again, both in confetti version 2 and lovely, lovely, fun, bright colors. Let's go ahead and go into the kits for this week. I'm going to show you the reformat first. I've had so many comments for grad kits, and honestly, it's kind of just like, one, it's a theme that I don't really have any, like, did an eyelash just fall? Yes. I don't really have like any new takes on it, really. Like, I don't know. Maybe if you guys have any like really great ideas for next year of like a different take on graduation, DM me or email me. But what I went ahead and did was the We Did It kit, which is in shop. It's more of like a corally greenish kind of situation. I just went ahead and recolored it and did more of like a blue, pink, sage, nude moment. I think it turned out really, really pretty. I think this would be great with matte gold, with gold hollow, champagne lights, something along the lines of that, or even just regular gold, champagne lights mixed together. That's the kind of or light gold would be really pretty with this as well. Kind of the vibes that I was thinking, but again, I just recolored this. It's a little bit more muted. I love the blue with it. I think it turned out really, really pretty, and I hope y'all love it as a grad option if you need one. Again, We Did It is in the shop as well. I think there is a couple of, maybe another one is, I feel like there is another one in shop as well, but I love this. It's really, really gorgeous. I would probably use champagne lights and gold mixed metal. I think that's going to be fantastic, beautiful, and perfect. So hope if y'all need a little graduation kit, this one could be of service to you. Do also have it in the mini. There is some add-on options. There's add-on options. There's quite a bit of add-on options. So we have the doodle. We have doodle 2. We also do have, this will be just under fashion. So it's just the hand with the diploma. This one has the hand with the hat and an extra balloon box. And then we do have label as well as label 2. The label 2 is more of like a nude. So if you didn't want to do maybe the pink, you have options on how to change this up if you want. Also the ombre as well as the pattern boxes, super cute, really, really gorgeous. I love those patterns like a lot. And then there is also, of course, all 6 fam options as well as fam options. We have fam 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So lots of options there. Super, super cute. And that is everything for grad. We love her. The next kit I have here is going to be Italy. I feel like the next two actually have kind of like similar energy, and I love it because I just feel like they're just so fun and like quintessential summer vibes kits. I love that this one has the blue. It kind of reminds me of the One Piece like inspired art for some reason. I think it's like the hills, like the scene, and like the blue, and I just am obsessed. I love yellow. I've been talking about it recently. I love the food. I just think it's all gorgeous, stunning, perfection. Do I have any, it's called Italy. Do I have any plans to go to Italy anytime soon? No. That'd be really pretty with that. In case you're wondering, it's a little bit darker. But it's a gorgeous set. I love that the car was included in like the gelato. I don't like gelato. I like ice cream, but love this pattern. It's so cute. And then you have like the brick as the header overlays. I love this little bag here. And then the freebie and the ultimate and mini is the different skin tone for the hand holding the gelato. Super stinking cute. Obsessed with it. Love these colors. I just think the orange, the yellow, and the blue go really well together, and the green just like makes it all work. I do think that this color would be really pretty with it if you wanted to do something fun. But I also think, silver would be good with it. Matte bronze would be good with it. I think silver gold mixed metal would be nice. Something along the lines of those. But if you wanted to do something fun, I think this green would be really nice with it as well. Also comes in a mini kit, of course. Add-on options, we do have Doodle. We have Doodle 2. As well as there is the label sampler. And then there's label 2, which is a nude, so you can add it in, swap it out, however you like. You have ombre. You also have the pattern boxes, as well as the scribblers. And there is also fam options for this, which comes with 4 full box fams. So that is fam 1, fam 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Gorgeous, gorgeous, perfect perfection. The colors are just immaculate, and we love it. I love this travel theme that Jess has going on. It's just so, so pretty. Even if you're not going to the places, I just feel like you can kind of put them maybe in a season or anytime and just have them be a vibe. The next one here is called Summer Zest, and this one is very like lemony. all the lemon basil. I love that there's garlic in this. It made me so happy. I love the pizza. I love like lemon chicken. I think that's so yummy. I think this is just a fun like anytime summer kit. It's not like technically like Italy or anything like that, but it just gives very fun like lemon summer vibes. And I love, again, the yellow. I love the pop of red. I think this might be really fun to like experiment with maybe doing like a sparkly red with it. I think that could be really, really pretty. In case you were wondering how the green looks with this, it'll be pretty. I mean, like green and red. Do like a Christmas vibe in the summer. I do love the yellow. I love the lemons. I love the food. I love the scenes. I love the fashions. I love the pop of red throughout. It'd be even fun to like maybe omit the red items and then just use red foil with the greens and the yellow. I think that could be very fun as well. I did omit a color in a kit recently, and it looks really fun with just like the 3 colors. You have the full box there, and then you have a tall box. Hold on. The tall box fashion here. So you got fashion options throughout. Super pretty set. Perfect for summer. I think it'd be really great in August for some reason. I think it's the yellow. It's that classic planner girl colors in me. You do have add-on options. There is label, there is doodle 1 and doodle 2, as well as a fashion option. And then there is also the ombre and the pattern, as well as all 6 doodle options. And that, my friend, is everything for this week. I hope you like this week's new releases. I feel like I was talking fast, but usually my new releases are somewhere around 12 minutes. So somehow I still talked for almost 12 minutes, but really excited for this week's releases. We got like summer vibes coming in with the foil and these kits, and then we have that grad set as well. It's my birthday week, which I'm very, very excited about. And yeah, I hope you like this week's new releases, and I will talk to y'all in my next one.